All right, so let's get to this next place. It's called Wine Garage. It's pretty cool. Yeah, like all the cars lined up right here. Man, this is awesome. Got a couple of the Ferraris right here. We got the SLS AMG just sitting right back over here. So we just made it to the spot we're going to have some lunch, but pretty much that drive was so much fun. Got the beautiful Lamborghini Huracan right here with the forged carbon hood. But yeah, in the direct sunlight, I just absolutely love this blue. Alright, so we're here at a place called the Salt Lake Barbecue, but this is our lunch stop, which is really cool because they got like live music playing, but yeah, that's going to be pretty cool. This place is absolutely beautiful. Alright, so we just had some lunch and this place is absolutely amazing. What do you think about it?
I think it was good, man. I like it.
Had some amazing
barbecue.
Oh yeah, amazing barbecue. But this place is beautiful. I mean, just look at this. Alright, so we just left the location for lunch. Now we're back on the road. We've got a couple more stops, but right now we're actually following a really nice Audi R8. Alright, so we just made another gas station stop, and just like always, we pretty much took over the entire thing. There's just supercars everywhere. But yeah, look at this. I don't know if it's coming up in the video, but look at the heat coming off the back of the Lamborghini. You can kind of see some of the heat waves. Like right there, you could definitely see the heat waves coming off the back of that thing. I just love the SLS AMG with the gold wing doors. Alright, so it looks like we just made it to the final destination on the Hill Country Run. What an absolute blast. This rally has been incredible, but I mean, this is just awesome seeing all these cars lined up right here. Got the Audi R8, got the Jaguar F-Type. I'm so glad I was able to get this wrap done on the car before the rally. Like, when you look at all these cars, like, yeah, they're all nice, but this definitely just pops, stands out. Yeah, and then here comes the Acura NSX. It's in electric mode, he's super quiet. So this carbon fiber looks so good in the direct sunlight. But I absolutely love this Lamborghini Gallardo. Like, it's just beautiful, just like all black. And it's got the carbon wing on the back. Yeah, my wrap stands out a lot, but this Lamborghini Huracan definitely stands out. And finally I'm getting a good picture in this direct sunlight, and that color just pops. Like, that is just beautiful. But this place is like another vineyard or distillery, but it is beautiful. And they got this nice little area outside. Yeah, for sure, I'm definitely coming on more rallies. Like, this has been an absolute blast. Like, man, what an adrenaline rush and just all the crazy cars. So I can't imagine what the people are thinking who were just randomly here. Like, all these supercars just show up. There's like a bunch of kids and all like freaking out. So, and that's pretty cool. They got the Lamborghini Huracan with like the crazy wrap. He's letting like little kids sit in it. So that's what it's all about. It's all about just giving back to people and letting people just have fun and enjoy it. But what an absolutely beautiful day. As you can see, there's like no clouds in the sky. It's like low 70s, so you get like a nice cool breeze, but the sun's out and it's just, it feels amazing. Like, it could not have been any better than this. Alright guys, so the rally is over. What an amazing time. Like, that was absolutely awesome. Thanks to this guy for being pretty much like a co-pilot and cameraman while I was doing a lot of the driving. So definitely go down, check out his channel, subscribe. if you guys love this video, I mean, it's probably going to be like a bunch of videos, but if you loved it, definitely go down and hit that like button down below. And subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, because I guarantee you I'm going to be in a future rally or a lot more to come. And hopefully Mo can bring his Pontiac G8 out, because it's absolutely crazy. But definitely, if you guys like this, subscribe, like. And as always, thank you for watching.